Our lecture will be about temperature app conversion. It will convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit and we'll get your result on it. What we need here, we need 3 components or elements, 1 text box, a button and label here. Up there it will be like something, later we'll talk on it. If we see in the, this is text field, this is button and this is label, as is shown here in navigation. So we came here, we tested, like if we give 50, we will make keyboard like this, only accept numbers. We click convert, it get converted from CDC 50 CDC to Fahrenheit according to mathematical rule. So that we get, if we get another one like 60 converted 140 and so on. If we get 19, 194, like that. So we have it like that. We will make it like orange one, text file, button and label, and with this keyboard, and we'll make it alignment like this one. So when we try to do like this, so we get it clearly and so on. So we need also more alignments if we try to make it portrait, sorry, landscape. So we come here, we close the app. Okay, we'll keep minimize that one. We'll close this. We'll close this one and we will open new one. How to make it from beginning? We come to Xcode, we make create new project as we always do. We'll wait for the project to come up. On new one, we will choose apps from iOS. In old version of Xcode, this is Xcode 14. On old version Xcode, you can use single view. Application, we choose next. We give application name, like we said, temp. And this is my personal ID, and this is the organization identifier I want to make. This is the build identifier, and we will make it with the storyboard with the Swift, and we will make next. We'll wait for it. We will create it somewhere in application. It depends on you where you want to create a desktop applications. Don't forget the place of it when you try to run it again. Create it. We will wait until the program gets created, all files come up on the navigation area and the editor come up. Okay, we can even choose the iOS from here, and we see there's destination, which iPhone, iPad and Mac will be, and the version is 10, and this is our branding, and what we need to display name and EV category of the app, and also the build number of it. So we come to main. We have view controller here. First of all, before I forget, we should change it to iPhone 8 here or iPhone SE. So when we try to run it, it becomes according to that one. Also we change here the view of iPhone. We'll try to make it third generation of SE. Okay. We'll wait until it's come up, files of view controllers. Our view will come. It just needs little time to build up. Here we come. In old version, it will be on right corner on bottom. Here will be the elements you need to add. In our new one, we will choose it from plus here. What we need first, we need text field. You can write search for it, text, we drag and drop it like that. Okay, we change the background, we choose the view, we choose this view. Okay, we change the color to system color like yellow, orange. Let's make it orange. Here our text view here. We'll bring another one. We'll bring like button. We'll make it down of it. And also we can make this one bigger, like it's up to you how you want to change it. We'll make alignment later. Just let me change this one text, make it bigger. And we can change color, text size, everything that text on it. We can customize it according to what we need. So if we make it 30, it's good. I can change that button, like will be convert to F, which means convert to Fahrenheit. Change the color to, let's say, to white. Where is the white? Okay, there is it. We bring another thing, that's label. Okay, we bring label. Here is it. It's already here. And just make it on the center of it. Also, we change the text size and make it like 25. It depends on you what you want to write. We can change this one, like it will be resolved. It looks like that. We can change the color to something like white. Okay. And then we can make it bigger by, we'll make it on the alignment on the center of the text. Okay. Here we have it. We can put something for placeholder, like enter. Size bigger, something like that. If we come to make alignments, we can make it by choosing this one. We come here downside and make the alignment of horizontal and vertical 0, so it becomes in the center. But look here, it will be different, so we need to change it place. We can choose this one and click on this, double click on it. We can make it like -100, something like that. So let's get up to 120. If we see the alignment now is better. Also, we can change the width of it, like only 160, something like that. So it will be fixed. Even if I change it here, when I get run it, it becomes there. If you see those lines, it's showing that the place is changing. So when you run the application, it will come back to the default one that we defined. We come to our phone. It's getting building the application. The application will be built there and will be named temp, which means temperature. We wait for it. It will take a little time according to PC or Mac. Like you are using the real Mac or you are using the VMware to use Mac on it. Here is it. As we see, it will run off. If we see the text field, it will come back here upstairs on the beginning. It's taking a little time from my computer because of here we see it's up there, it's not getting changed. But if we change the place of this one, if we bring it here, I rerun it, you see that place will be changed for this one because we didn't make alignment for it. Here we go. should be changed because only we make alignments for this one. You see the convert comes down of result, so we need to fix it again. So we came back, here is it, the update frame. When you update it, come all together. We come to the second one. What we need to make alignment for this one. We make only horizontal one with 0, so it became on the center. What we need to connect it to up of this one, so we give like, should be like 40 degrees away from it, and add constraint on it. If you see there is line here, it's showing that it's 40. Here we can change it also for this one as well. We come to alignment, we make horizontal 0, add constraint. As we see, we come in the center. If we come here and give here alignment on it, so it will be connected. We can connect it differently also. We can click it, keep you pressing Ctrl on keyboard and connect it to convert F. You can vertical space and make your space like that. But we are using this way. So we click it, we choose here, we give value like 40 and add constraint. That is. If we even now, if we change this one like this and this is like this one, we click here update, it will all come back together. So this one should be here. Okay. All comes back together. If we check here again, all will be connected to each other. That's simply how we make the interface of our application. There is a running again. The application is running. You see it's converted like that and everything is connected to each other. If we click here, we see our keyboard is getting like setting. We need to change this one. So what we need, we come here, we come to somewhere, it's named keyboard type, we choose number pack and we run it again. If we see this time, here it's come temperature. This time the keyboard should be changing. You see we have number. If you didn't get this one, you can choose your simulator, come to input output keyboard and connect it to hardware. Keep it off. On all devices you can go to hardware keyboard and connect it to keyboard off and it will get you these numbers, allow it for you. So we make the interface. This is how we make the interface. We will continue on how to connect those to making outlet for them and actions. So we can click here. If we see we can click here, we should stop the application running. We can click here, which is adjust editor option, make assistance. Also we can click on keyboard by clicking on Control Alt and Windows button if you are using Windows, or Control Alt Command button on Mac. We connect it, we click here, we just bring it here, and we make like outlet for it of a function, and we give name for it like entry temperature, entry temp, and we connect it. There we go. So let me try that. Okay, we can connect different way also. We can like choose this label, and here is the label. We can keep pressing on control and bring it here. It will be same. This will be horizontal temp. Okay, we have both of them like output. For button we only need to make action for it, so I bring it down of the function here. We make action for it, we choose our button, we say temp conversion. Okay, so we need to check if this button is working correctly or not. We can make print and give a value for it, like temperature converted. So we check it, debug it for it. We can close it here by clicking on adjusted interruption as well. Consistent on new one, on all budgets you click it, it will go. You can click here, run the application again, we check it. Here is the application count. If we come to click convert, there we go, debug it, temperature converted as we make it. This is the lecture about making interface of the temperature. Next lecture we will make coding for it. See you later.